Thursday, April 27th. I'll start with the easy one, then put this in the screen. Okay, I start with what I normally do. Every row, column, and box must contain 1 through 9 once each. So here's a row, there's a column, and that is a 3 by 3 box. All of these regions must contain 1 through 9 without repetition. Okay, so when I scan, I'm going to start with the rightmost 3 columns, 7, 8, and 9 here. I've got a 1 in column 7 and a 1 in column 9. The 1 in column 7 is on the left, the 1 in column 9 is on the right. The 1 in column 8 must therefore be in the middle, which is one of these two spots, except it can't go there because of that one, so 1 in column 8 is... no, it can't be there. Okay, so it can't be here because of this one, it can't be there because of that one. So it could be, it can't be there because of this one, or there because of that one. So actually, I'd marked it wrong, it must go here. Okay, that may help me later on, let's see. I've got 2 8s in these columns, so 8 in column 7 must go on the left. It must be on the left, and box 6 and 9 are accounted for, so it must be in box 3 in one of 2 places. But I can't figure out which one yet. Let's see. I've got 2 1s here. So 1 is in one of 2 places in box 2. I have 2 2s, so 2 is in one of 2 places in box 1, but not there. So that's a 2. I have 3s, I don't have 4s actually. Okay, 4, I have 1 here and 1 here. The 1 here must be in the bottom. So that's its only spot there. Whoops. That must be a 4. I haven't ruled out definitively that that's an 8 yet. So I'm going to leave that there. Let's see here. These 3 are now down to 6, 7, and 8. This can't be 6, so this is 7 or 8. This is 6, 7, or 8. And this can't be 8, so this is 6 or 7. So I really haven't ruled anything out here. And I don't think I have enough to go on there. Let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 6, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 8. This is 6, 7, or 9. This can't be 7 or 8. This is 6 or 9. This being 6, 7, 8, or 9, but not 6. This is 7, 8, or 9. This is 6 or 7. Let's look at the bottom 3 rows. There's a 4. There's a 4. 4 in column 9 must go in the bottom, but not here. So that's a 4. I've got 3 5s. I only have 2 2s. 2 in the middle must go here for column 9 and box 9 because 7 and 8 are accounted for already. I don't have enough 1s to do anything with. I just place 4s. I just place 5s. I can maybe place an 8 in one of 2 places. Oh, not there. So that's an 8. Let's see, what else can I do here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, or 9, but not 8. So this is 8 or 9. Except this can't be 8. This could be 6, 7. It could still be 6, 7, or 9. This is 6, 7, 8, or 9, but not 6 or 8. This is 7 or 9. This is not 6, 8, so this is 7 or 9. So this is 7 or 9, this is 7 or 9. This must be 6 because it can't be 7 or 9, and I've ruled out 7 or 9 as a pair, namely here and here. So neither of these cells can be a 7 or a 9 because then I have 2 7s or 2 9s in box 3, and that doesn't work. So I've definitely ruled out this being a 7 or a 9, therefore that must be 6. Since this is a 7-9 pair, by logic, that must be 8. Now, that's 8. And this is 6 or 7 or 8, but I've placed 6 and 8, so that must be 7. That means that's 8. That's 6. Let's see. This is now down to 2 places. 2 things left, 1 or 9, but that can't be 9, so that's 1. That's 9. Let's see, this is still a 7-9 that's unresolved. These 9s don't help me any. And I've only managed to rule out a 7 in one of 2 places in box 2. So I haven't made a whole lot of progress there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, this is 5, 7, or 8, but not 5. This is 5, 7, or 8, but not 8. Oh, but this must be 8 because it can't be 5 or 7. So this is 7 or 8, but we know now that this is an 8, so this must be 7, that must be 5. Let's see. Box number 5 is down to 3 or 7. But this can't be 3, so this must be 7. That must be 3. One's now placed there in box 5 because 1 rules it out of here and this 1 rules it out of there. This is now 6 or 8. This is 6 or 8, but not 8, so that must be 6. That must be 8. Let's see. Column 2 is now down to 2 things. 3 or 6, but this can't be 3, so that must be 6. That must be 3. Let's see what I can do here. 7, 7. 7 there, 7 there. 7's in one of 2 places here. Oh. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but this can't be 9, so that must be 7. Let's see, this is 7 or 9, but I still can't resolve, annoyingly enough. Let's see. Row 5. I'm down to 5, 6, or 9. This can't be 5. This can't be 5 or 6. It must be 9. What did I say? 5, 6, or 9? Whoops. Well, that's a problem because this can't be 9 because there's a 9 there. This can't be 6. Well, let's see. There's a 9 there, which means this must be 6 here, and that makes that 5. This can't be 6 or 7, so that must be 9. That must be 7. To unwind those. Let's see. This one's only missing a 5. This one is missing 1 or 3, but that can't be 1, so that can't be 3, so this cell must be 1 because it can't be 3. These two are a 1, 3 pair. This must be 1, that must be 3. Let's see. Oh, those are finally resolved because of that 9 in column 8. Let's see, that's only missing a 3. This is now 2 or 6, but that can't be 2, so that must be 2. That must be 6. This is now 7 or 9, but that can't be 7, so that must be 9. That must be 7. That must be 3 to fill that one out, and now we're down to 1 box left. Let's see. That one's missing a 6. I now have 2 cells left. 1 or 9 from the looks of this. And I filled out the last 1-9 pair. So there you go.